Hey guys, it's Josh, and today I'll be going over prepping and cleaning of interior floors for vinyl application. Similar to any other graphic application, diligent prepping and cleaning of the surface prior to installing the graphic is critical to the success of the install. Floor graphics are more susceptible to lifting at the edges due to foot traffic. Therefore, promoting adhesion to the floor by having a clean surface is crucial. Here are some tips for cleaning floors for vinyl application. For smooth floor applications, start by cleaning the surface with a mild soapy solution to remove any particles or residues. You will want to clean an area roughly 6 inches larger than your graphic. Allow the area to adequately dry before moving on to the next step. Finish up the cleaning step by using a 50% isopropyl alcohol solution and a lint-free cloth to wipe down the cleaned area. This solution will help further remove any oils or grease, leaving the floor as clean as possible. Take care to not step on the cleaned area, using shoe covers to minimize the deposit of dirt onto the cleaned area. For carpet applications, thoroughly vacuum the carpet to remove any contaminants that may adhere to the graphic. Prepping the floor is an essential step to a successful floor graphic application and will make a difference over the life of the graphic.